Welcome back to the channel. If you have been trading on Deriv for a while, you know the struggle is real. The biggest challenge isn't just the market trends, it's the human element. Emotions like fear, greed, and hesitation often lead to blown accounts. When you trade manually, your reaction time is limited and your discipline can slip. That is exactly why I'm introducing you to PivotCore.net. This isn't just another trading tool, it's a high-performance auto-trading platform built specifically for the Deriv community. Today, we are moving away from the stress of manual clicking and stepping into the world of robotic precision. I'm going to show you how automation can bring the consistency your trading account has been missing. We are putting the digit over 4 and under 5 strategy to the test. This strategy is rooted in mathematical probability, but it requires perfect execution to be profitable. My plan for this session is a disciplined 10-trade sequence with a target of 5 solid wins. Now, you might think a 50% win rate is modest, but in the world of professional trading, consistency is king. By using PivotCore, I've set the bot to analyze the digit flow in real time. It doesn't guess, it waits for the exact patterns that favor our over 4, under 5 logic. This takes the weight off your shoulders and lets the algorithm handle the heavy lifting. As the trades start running on the screen, let's take a look at the PivotCore.net interface. One of the best things about this platform is that it requires zero coding knowledge. It's designed for everyone, from beginners to pro traders. You have total control over your stake, your take-profit targets, and your stop-loss settings. It connects seamlessly to your Deriv account, ensuring lightning-fast execution. In a market where every millisecond counts, having a stable, automated platform like PivotCore gives you a massive advantage over manual traders. You can literally set your strategy and watch the bot work according to your rules. Watch the bot as we move through our trades. Notice how it reacts after a win or a loss. It doesn't get excited and it doesn't get angry. This robotic discipline is what protects your capital. In manual trading, a single loss often leads to revenge trading, where you double your stake out of anger. But on PivotCore, the bot stays focused on the data. We are aiming for that 5-win target out of 10 trades to show you that you don't need a 100% win rate to be a successful trader. You just need a system that manages risk effectively. This is how you treat trading like a business instead of a gamble. We have just completed our session, and as you can see, we hit our 5-win target exactly as planned. The profit is there, the balance is grown, and most importantly, the stress was zero. PivotCore.net is truly a game changer for anyone serious about Deriv trading. Why continue to risk your money on emotional mistakes when you can automate your success? Head over to PivotCore.net right now, connect your account, and start your own automated journey. Check the link in the description to join our community. Stop struggling and start winning with the power of automation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.